Hi, welcome to the first tutorial video of Yetti Powered, a series of videos showing you how to get up and running with your first e-commerce store really quickly and really easily using Yetti, the super chilled e-commerce platform. For the entirety of this series, I'm going to be using the example of Woven and Tufted, a homeware store selling carpets, rugs, runners, and in this video we're going to be talking about how you can add static content to your pages, so text and images. As you can see on the homepage of Woven and Tufted, there are two small text content pieces at the top of the page and at the bottom of the page. There's also a blank About section on the homepage, where it is probably where we want to put some information about Woven and Tufted for people who are maybe visiting the website for the first time. The sections of text at the top and bottom of the page are repeated across the entire website, and you can see they never change no matter what page you're on. So we're going to change that now. So jumping into Yetti Administrator, the first page you see is the dashboard. To give you a quick rundown of the dashboard, it shows you all your recent alerts, messages and administration activity. So on the left there you can see recent alerts, and there's a few new orders that have been placed and a new user which has been created. The messages box gives you regular updates and status information from Yetti. If you're following us on Twitter, at twitter.com/YettiPowered, all our tweets will appear there so you can stay up to date with what's happening with us. On the right, the admin activity box shows you what's been going on your website in a bit more detail. So you can see there I've edited 2 pages and you get links to those pages if you want to see what I've changed. But for now, we want to add some content to our website. So the first place we need to go is the Pages tab. Pages shows you the entire structure of your website. It's a bit like its skeleton, so you can see all the different sections of the website and all the pages that are inside those sections. Woven and Tufted here has 5. There's a shop, there's a blog, there's the home page, there's an about page and a contact page. We'll be talking about all of those across the video series, but for now, the only 2 we're bothered about is home and this top level site, which is highlighted in blue. The difference with the top level, as opposed to all the sections within it, is that anything you put in this top level will show on every single page of your website. Here it's highlighted in blue, and I want to change that top piece of text and the bottom piece of text, and that appears on every single page of the website. So I'm going to edit it in here by clicking the edit button. Clicking the edit button takes me to a page where I can see all the different bits of information about the site that I can change. In this example, there's the top text, there's the bottom text, but there's also the phone number, the email address, and the physical address of Woven and Tufted. Now, we're not going to look at the phone, fax, email, and physical address for the time being, but I do want to change that top piece of text and the bottom piece of text. So let's do so now. Hello, welcome to Woven and Tufted. We hope you like our store. Now, for the purposes of this demonstration, I'm just going to repeat this text at the top and bottom. So I'm going to copy and paste it into the bottom text field as well. So that really is all you have to do. To edit this section and have it appear on your live site, put in the text you want and just click Save and Publish. Jumping back to the demo site, you can see that at the minute it stays exactly as it was. I haven't refreshed my page. So all I have to do is do that, and the text has changed. It's at the top and it's now at the bottom. Now remember, this top and bottom text was on every single page of our website. I don't have to change it per section though. I can just do it in that one interface and it changes throughout the entire website. I don't have to think about it. I don't have to think about changing it in different areas. It's that one section and it changes it across the entire website. So the second task for me was to add some about text to this homepage. It's an extremely simple and similar process to do that. Jumping back into the administrator panel, you can see that now I've got a section for home, and inside that there's only one page. So as before, I just click edit, and here I can see that I've got all the information that I need to be able to start populating that section. Now, I've been playing around with Woven and Tufted over the past few days, and I've added some text that I want to add to that section, which you can see here. So I've got an introductory section, and I've also got the main body. I've put that in already, so I can click Save and Publish, head back to the home page, and refresh it, and there's the text that I've just entered. But that to me looks a little bland, so maybe I want to change it up a little bit, add some links to other pages, make the styling a bit different, so I'm going to go back into the admin page and do that now. I'm going to add a bit of spacing there. I'm going to add a link to the contact page on here, so I can do that by highlighting the words and clicking the link button. I'll have that link to the contact page. And this first paragraph, I want to make it bold and italic. Now along the top menu here, you can see there are a number of different commands which you may want to be interacting with in the future. We'll probably talk about all of them throughout the course of this video series, but for now I only want to make this text that I've highlighted bold and italic, although there are options for adding bullet points, adding a numbered list, adding a link which we've already used, and adding an image. As I say though, we're not going to be bothered about those for the time being. I'm just going to make some text bold and italic and add the link in here. So I've made my changes, I save and publish them, refresh my home page, and the spacing's been added. You can see that Contact Us text now links to the contact page, and the text that I selected to be bold and italic has been reflected as so on the website. And that's really as simple as it is with Yetti. You select your text, you type it into the box, you make any changes to the styling, but make it bold, make it italic, add as many links as you want, you click Save and Publish, and the changes are reflected on your website. In the next video, I'm going to be discussing how to add some more content pages, such as the About page, and I'm also going to be looking at adding products.